One, it's already on red paint, so that we will know that it's an emergency. So after that, we have to pump this hydraulic. Thomas, you can make.
Kakasan mo. Pump mo. Pababa. Doon sa dulo, Tom. Diyan ka sa... Half lang ata.
Meron yun dito. So, pressure, we put mark here. But even if it's the pressure, it's only up to here. It will start already. Hydraulic, you have to pump. Agad na.
Ilan yung pressure niyan? Like,
After that, you have to release this securing screw for starting. And then you have to push this one. So you have to push this one so that this one will engage for this one, and then it will release this hydraulic pressure, and then it will start. Ikaw gusto?
ito.
Saglit ha. Para na rin. Okay. Ako na lang ha. Okay, sige mo na lang.
Ano yung stock niya doon, like?
Okay, so before you stop, you have to unscrew this one. Otherwise, the engine will continues running because you are bypassing.